About 5 years ago, I had a dream. The dream involved Prabhupada, so it's probably worth telling what it was. It was in the Alpine, Swiss Alps town of St. Moritz. I don't know what the elevation of St. Moritz is, but I know it's quite up there. And I heard that Prabhupada was very dedicated to walking and chanting, and when he was in the hotel in St. Moritz, he was walking up and down the corridors chanting his rounds. So when I went into the I guess it was a hotel. It was some kind of a room in St. Moritz. I saw a bunch of shoes outside, and Prabhupada was sitting there having a darshan, and Madhurvisa was there. Both of them had long since departed, but it was a very interesting thing. And I said to Prabhupada, I'm 55 years old, which wasn't true because I was a lot younger, and Prabhupada had departed, and so had Madhurvisa. Nevertheless, that was my dream in St. Moritz, Switzerland. Hare Krishna.